My name's Lewis Maclean. I'm the Managing Director at Maclean's Highland Bakery in Forres. A bit of history about Maclean's was we came over from the island of Lewis in 1978, so in 2 years' time we'll be celebrating 50 years in business. We make a wide variety of products. We specialise really in biscuits now. Still have our traditional bakery products where, I would say we excel with our savoury products. Really good reputation locally. Quite a lot of some private label as well, but biscuits now accounts for more than 50% of our business. Cybake's very important to us, and it has improved our business over the time we've had it. The thing that attracted us to Cybake was they're forward thinking and very adaptable, and probably the opportunity was there to get something specific for us. We feel our business is quite unique in some ways, and Cybake was able to do that for us. Since we've had Cybake, it has really improved our business all round. Probably every part of the business it's helped improve. Even the fact it's now cloud-based made working from home during COVID so much easier. I really enjoy the recipe costing module. It goes into great detail, but the way you can set it up, you don't have to keep repeating. But really good. You can put in labour, packaging, which is important for us, and also overheads. And then you even get a report of all your products, and you'll get a margin report, which is good, and then you can actually update it again, see what the latest price increase affects your margin. So no, I rely on that module quite a lot. But the whole team, they all seem to use it for slightly different things. The girls in the office will use it for the wholesale orders, the production guys will use it for the production sheet. So yeah, it's a well-used tool in our business. We're now looking to implement the stock module that's on the system. We've looked at it briefly, and it really does tick a lot of boxes for us. It would give us much more control of our stock in the store. We're always trying to keep that as low as possible, and helped us with our costings, helped us with intake of goods, purchasing, and even selling. So yeah, and only kicking ourselves a wee bit that we didn't see it earlier. I would recommend that to any bakery. Doesn't matter what type of bakery, the size. I feel that what Cybake offer would bring a value to your business.